Pakistan Junior League qualifier number 1. Here we go. What a delivery first up. That is a beauty and well kept out.
Mushtaq Ahmed would have said, set the tone. And that is a brilliant way to just say to Basat Ali, who is a man in form, this is going to be a tough little session for you. It's not going to be easy.
Dragging it across. Look at these Sharks buzz out there straight away. That's the first little while. Oh, that's not too far away from chopping on.
It's not back in, it's actually a cross seam. That's why there's no swing. And so what he's trying to just get now and again, if you hold it cross seam, for anybody wondering why, he's trying to get maybe a ball to keep low or a ball to just hit the seam and climb.
There we go. There it is. That's what you're looking for, Dominic.
Yeah, it's so good. You know, I'll go back to what I said to you a couple of days ago. Well, it's under 19s. People at 28, 29 playing cricket can't do this at times. The ability to throw the ball to a young fast bowler and say, right, mix it up.
And again.
Yeah, well, I am going to do a little piece on Mohammad Ismail, Mohammad Shoaib and Zishan.
Got that away, just the single only. Well, that's going to be interesting to look out for a little bit later. Oh, it's a beautiful delivery. There was a noise, and up goes the finger. That is a huge wicket first up.
What a delivery. Seriously good delivery, this. Of course, Tayyab just falls across and he's thinking this is a bit straighter and he wants to work it through the leg side. But just watch this delivery. Starts middle and off and is an absolute beauty. Simple catch just for the wicketkeeper. He's appealing before the ball has come to him, but I don't think you get a better delivery than that. For me, that's the delivery of the tournament so far. Full, pace, swing. Absolutely magnificent. His first ball gone for naught. Tarib Arif, and the Royals are 13 for 1.
Abay Shahid is at the crease now. He gets a nice delivery first up as well, but it's not as good as the one we've just seen to pick up that wicket.
Just tell he's in rhythm, he's in form, his confidence is high. It is a beautiful delivery. And maybe criticise the batter for just slightly trying to work the ball to leg side, but think about the angle he created. You see it coming in towards middle stump. You think you're going to work it onto the leg side. There's not a lot you can do. It's a brilliant delivery.
There's a hit that edge. That's the outside quarter of the bat. That's nicely punched on the onside. That's beautifully timed. The outfield is pretty quick. It's going to slow. End result is going to be 3. Fine stroke.
Yeah, and that's the only danger with doing it, if you just get a little bit greedy.
He's picked that up superbly off his hip. Again, nice timing. Just the one, though.
Over bowl here, just trying to maybe looking to get wickets every ball. He's got to go back in to the frame of, or the mindset.
Wicket first up is a big one for the Sharks. 3 gone, 17 for 1. It's a restricting score.
You just see the swinger's gone.
Inside edge.
Yeah, and when you looked at his grip then, he's actually pointing the seam towards fine leg, and hence what he's trying to do, he's trying to get the ball to come back in, which I think is a good tactic against Basat Ali. Yeah, that's just been brought about, that shot, because he's just feels like it's
mid on and gone. Mentioned it, and he's holed out.
And all he does is he just picks out mid on. It's a simple catch. Delight for them all. Look at Luke Benkenstein. He knows how important that is, and gets him off the hook a little bit for putting him down early on. Big wicket. And the Sharks, they're loving it. End of Basat Ali. He goes to 20 The Royals 27 for 2.
Basit Ali has been the glue. Oopsie, where's that gone? I think that might be a wide or a no ball.
I'm not sure what happened. I don't know what he was trying to do, whether he was trying something different. I don't think he was. I think maybe it just slipped out. It is miles away from anywhere.
Imagine that first ball you're going to face.
Absolutely, we've seen one of the best balls of the tournament, and we've seen one of the worst balls in the tournament. 100%. Don't watch. Got a little nick on that as well. Because it was a free hit, it sounded like it was a nick.
Tucks him up. Can't do too much with that. 5 gone, 32 for 2.
Not a bad idea coming round to the left-hander.
Yeah, it's good as well. It's the length as well.
Missed that completely. Again, that pace taken off. Oh, he's missed it. That doesn't help the cause, does it? He's working hard, the bowler.
Throughout the competition, done all your hard work as a bowler, bowling a slower delivery. Okay, if it's 2, that's fine. What you can't do is just let it through your legs. Got to concentrate on the ball, get yourself in a position. Yeah, absolutely.
He's asking for a run out here. There's an opportunity at the non-strikers as well.
And even he misfielded it. Extra cover. Is his bat down? Yep. Absolutely is it down. Then he picks it back up, does he?
That's a good sharp delivery, and they're trying to run here. They'll complete that. Can they come back for another one? Now that's smart. That's good game awareness by the two.
As a keeper, just watch the keeper. What is he doing? Where is he throwing it at? You've got no glove on. Where have you thrown that? Absolutely no wonder the bowler is saying, what are you doing?
Full toss again. And he's gone. It's just that height doesn't really allow you to smash it. Wicket of the last delivery. So they managed to add 7 in this last over, and they've lost a wicket in that. Makes it 7 down for 139.
Yeah, he's still not happy though, is he? The bowler, he's still having a go at the keeper, saying to Zulkifel, what are you doing? Hold the ball.